Hi, so I just wanted to walk you briefly through the procrastination station in case you were not familiar with it, and just let you know what's available here. So this is the front page, yourprocrastinationstation.com, and it's just got some info and links to the other pages, info about City Tech. There's also links to our Twitter and Instagram feed. Sometimes we keep up with it, sometimes we don't. And then this is the beating heart of the procrastination station is the students page. And this has 9, I guess you'd call them interventions, where the point of this page is to ask students, okay, you choose the one that fits you. So unless you have a very good reason to send them to one in particular, this is what you would do. I don't understand. So a student might say, I can't, I'm procrastinating. I don't know where to start. So then you would say, okay, start there. I don't know where to start. And this gives the student 5 steps to getting started, how they can get started. Or they might think, well, every time I try and start working, I get too bored. And so then what this does is it gives them a little slideshow with some information on what boredom is. And then it leads them to about a 7-minute writing exercise that they can do to figure out, first of all, why the assignment is so irritating and how they might overcome that. But the trick here is that at the end, they may, in fact, have started the exercise itself. They're just trying to put their finger on what particularly is boring. It gives them a chance to rant, but also gives them a chance to look closely at the text. If that doesn't work, in many of the interventions, there are links to other articles or other pages, other strategies, other resources for them that might help them. This page is the same as time tips, and it has for students a time management video for more traditional time management strategies. And below here, we have a slideshow of time management strategies for people who maybe suffer from chronic pain or have neuroatypicalities or just really don't have the kind of schedule that is predictable enough to use traditional time management. So then we go on to the instructors page, and there's quite a bit kind of hidden in here. This gives us some of the background of where we got to, and I just want to point you to these lessons in procrastination. So this is a 30-minute lesson with a 15-minute follow-up exercise, and these are for anyone teaching any course in any discipline. So this is not an English department specific lesson, and maybe we'll have a video of Shauna Chung, who wrote this, walking us through this at some point. But it's pretty self-explanatory, and it's a great way to talk to your students about what procrastination is, and also to introduce them to the resources on the website. And the 15-minute exercise is just a follow-up later in the semester to remind them of what they learned. The mini unit on procrastination is in the 1101 model course, and it helps students with close reading and also to get more familiar with the ideas of the procrastination station. For that unit and for close reading, we use the later library. I'm going to get to that in just a second, which is, but I did want to show you this. I forgot to show you our research. In case you are wondering, it tells us a little bit about the City Tech survey that brought us to the procrastination station, the reason we made the procrastination station, a little bit of an overview of what procrastination is and what time management is. And then here we have it's very buried in here. We have a folder. This is basically our bibliography of the sources we used for the site. So all of the interventions on the site are based on research, and that's where that research is. The later library is a resource for students and for faculty. It has, I think, 9 different texts. They are of all different genres on procrastination. So we have a magazine article on the philosophy of procrastination. We have a podcast, a newspaper article. We have a how-to article, a video, a lecture, a TikTok, a blog, a TED Talk. So a lot of stuff about procrastination as it in a variety of different fields. So that is what we've got on the procrastination station. If you have any questions, contact us at First Year Writing and First Year Writing at citytech.cuny.edu, and we can answer those questions for you.